Welcome back. You're watching Republic TV. Now, with a limited knowledge of the farm laws and the attempts that have been made by the government to resolve the issue, many global celebrities went on a tweeting spree against India. This, of course, included Greta Thunberg. The environmental activist tweeted yet another toolkit, a revised toolkit following the expose. Do remember, of course, that the government yesterday had released a statement about this, and thereafter we saw several Indian celebrities, sportspersons, artists, Bollywood actors, all of them condemning the tweets that have come in from Greta Thunberg as well as Rihanna and other global celebrities. Right now, we are given to understand that Thunberg has tweeted another toolkit that is a revised one following the earlier expose that was made by Republic TV. Earlier, of course, she had removed the toolkit, but this morning we saw another one being tweeted. It is being seen largely as a global conspiracy against India. Earlier this morning, of course, the United States came out in support of India, saying that it does support the new farm reforms that the government of India has actually made. So in a sense, there is a lot of support coming in from countries like the United States, with support coming in for these reforms that have been enacted by the government. Well, of course, the limited knowledge of farm laws, despite that, these celebrities have continued to tweet against India. The Indian government, as well as various Indian citizens, have now hit back at these global celebrities and have been tweeting in favor and saying that nobody meddling with India's internal affairs will be allowed to do so. The environment activist Greta Thunberg has tweeted yet again. She's tweeted another toolkit. It is a revised one that follows the expose that was made by Republic TV. The Indian government also, of course, has tweeted, the MEA tweeted yesterday saying that this is something that is an internal effort, internal issue of India.